Here we are, part 2. Got the bed taken off. I'm going to be getting all that frame part cleaned up. Replaced the rear tank and pump together about 5 months ago, so that's good. Replaced this pump about 2 years ago, but while it's here, I'm just going to replace the pump while it's off, just have it fresh. So both pumps are about the same timeline. Got the interior all gutted out, going back with brand new carpet, reupholstered seats. It's got the Mark III power window on it. Motor's bad on that, getting that replaced. It's got the Mark III overhead lights on it. They look pretty cool at night. Only part about the cab that was bad was up underneath the dash. It was leaking water. Track down in here. I'm gonna get that fixed. But outside of that, the interior of the cab looks pretty good. Got a little bit of cab corner rust coming through. Gonna be cutting those cab corners off, getting those fixed up. This side's the one that's getting a little bit ate up more. Just gonna cut them all out. But so far, not too bad. There's the motor for this power window. From what I hear, it's just a regular old factory motor for the window. There's the bed over there on stilts. It's all pretty solid, being fiberglass and steel bed. It's in good shape. Just want to kind of do a quick follow-up on where I'm at on it. Got a long ways to go. Goal is to have it done by the end of the year. But if you guys want to see anything or have any questions, post them down in the comments below. See what I can get shown up here for you. But thanks for joining me on this trip, and I'll see you guys pretty soon.